some of that material out so we can refit these. Once I've done that, I will give it a quick clean.
Okay. Obviously, just being out of oil for some time, you get slight corrosion. Is that anything to worry about?
No,
oh.
No. Makes it honest. I think you worry. It just means it's good old-fashioned metal. It's meant to rust.
Right. Can't get those bars.
I might just have to get a bit more aggressive with it.
When I first started working on these cars, all the books kept saying "peen this" and "peen that." I had no idea what that meant.
Yeah.
At all. It's not a word that people use in common vocabulary.
No, it's not. It's very much not.
I can't imagine they use it much on modern cars either.
No. It involves people's hands touching things, which they try and eliminate from
Manufacturer.
Yeah.
It's quite a deep one at the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll have to get one device there. I will apply a little bit of sealant to this as well once we fit them. But I'll get these back so that they're sort of test fitted.
Yeah.
And then I'll just give it a quick final clean. And then I'll run brushes down all of these holes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad he acid dipped it because he can get in areas which I can't.
Yeah. The ones that were in there before seem to have kind of a hammered effect to them. Is that because you basically bang them into shape?
Yes. So you
put them in and then you bash them
out. Yeah. They're referred to as a lens core plate for obvious reasons.
Right.
Opposed to more modern stuff, they call them a cup type. Getting very close.
It's a bit undersized, is it?
Yeah.
Careful. Need you with all your fingers.
Yeah. No, it's leather hands. Just won't touch them. Technically not fixed, so just trying to get.
Try to hold it.
Oh no, we'll be right.
Slippery bug.
Yeah, that one's going to go.
Sorry?
That will go.
Okay.
So that's a done one. And this hole needs a bit more gripping.
Cool.
Let's get it home nicely. In as well. And then we'll do the doming. Or de-doming.
So what's that you put in there? Loctite?
It's a flange sealant.
Flange.
It's like a crankcase type sealant. It's actually the one that you use to seal Porsches. Old oil cooled Porsche.
Okay.
Right, so those are gone in there. Now, the doming part, or de-doming, I should say. As you can see, it's all sort of gone down quite well.
How do you know when that's far enough in?
Sort of start to feel it going a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean it's all the way home,
Yeah.
down onto its seat, and
Yes.
it's just
yeah,
about-
yeah. It's about pushing it out, right?
yeah.
But the ones that it had in before looked like they're almost like a steel drum. Then whacked it in so much.
Okay. Yeah, well, with the dome plug, it gets to the point where it starts to shrink again.
Yeah. Okay.
If you go too far.
Right.
Right, seems quite heavy.
Okay. Good.
So now some peening, the hard bit. I mean, you can see it's peening over.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say that's done, but we'll go for 6. As this seems to be such a
I don't
problem.
suppose you can pressure test it, can you, easily?
It'll hold pressure.
Sorry, it will hold.
Yeah, confident with the domes. It's just heat cycles and vibrations.
Yeah. Probably wouldn't do the engine much good either if that was floating around.
No, oh, it'd probably just sit in some, to be honest. You've got a screen on the pickup, it would just, wow, I'll say that. I've found many a thing in a sump. Right,
All right.
I'm going to say that's good.
Great.
So what I'm going to do is just put some oil on it and put it back in a clean bag.
Okay. That's just normal engine oil.
Yeah, just to stop the surface rust.
That's what I did after I cleaned it the first time, because it was just like,
Yeah, things rust straight away.
yeah.
The spray that Barry had put on it, that's the next level up on it.
Right, okay.
That's much better, but I don't, won't be sitting around that long.
No, I'll just find a hospital.
Yeah. So, that should be that for now. Keep clean. I'll just grab a bag.